Hi, my name is Craig from Equilibrium Digital, and in this video I'm going to cover 3 things that you could start doing today to help increase your customer base and boost your business. I work with businesses to promote their business through digital marketing strategies, and I've learned that by giving people a free attack plan of things that they can do to promote their business has given some of those business owners the faith to have their trust in me to help boost their business and their sales. So, if by the end of this video you've liked what you've heard, and you can see that I have numerous digital strategies that can help your business grow, just shoot me a message back and we can set up a more in-depth meeting. Or by the end of this video, you simply want to take these free tips that I give you and implement them yourself. Hey, that works for me too. So let me not waste any more of your time and go over 3 things that you can do to help boost your business. So the first thing I want to cover is content. So I ran your website right here in a tool called SEO Quick, and we can see that you have about 732 words. So Google has released that their algorithms look for a total optimization with about 1,500 words on the homepage. So right out of the gate, just basically doubling your content on this homepage can help set you apart from your competition. Speaking of your competition, I know you're near Columbus, Georgia. So I looked up Fencing Company, Columbus, Georgia, and your number 1 competitor was right here in Chattahoochee Fence Company. So I went ahead and I plugged them in SEO Quick as well. And we can see that they even have less words than you at 546. So content isn't going to get you to the front page, and it's not going to be something that makes you jump, tons and tons of people. But what it does is it does show Google that you are a legit website, and it is something that they've released their algorithms look for. So although content quantity alone isn't going to beat your competition, it is something that you need to make sure you're having to meet some of that criteria and jump over some of the smaller websites. Now, the second thing I want to talk about is keywords, and this is basically the quality of your content. As you can see, they have fence, fences, Georgia, and Columbus, and company. Now, I typed in fencing company, Columbus, Georgia, and 3 or 4 of those words are right here at the top. So let's look at your keywords. You have fence, fencing, city, Phoenix, and Columbus. So you have very similar. The only thing I would say is your density here on fence may be a little too high. You do want to have the keyword a lot, but you want to make sure not to go too heavy on the keywords, because what it'll do is it'll actually show the algorithms that you're just trying to trick the website. But by boosting that content, you will have a good ratio of density in there. And so your keywords are actually pretty strong. So the real thing that drives the most when it comes to Google and organic listing is backlinks. So I plugged your website here into a tool called Ahrefs, and we can see that you have a DR of 8, which is a backlinks. You have 46 with 9 referring domains. So your backlink profile isn't that strong. The only thing I will say is that you do have some good quality backlinks, because you have a DR of 8, which isn't very, it's not super low, but it's not high. But you have 43 of your 46 backlinks as do follow. So that's pretty good. Now let's see what your competition's doing. As you can see, your competition has a lot of backlinks, with almost 36,000 backlinks and 140 domain, and most of their backlinks are do follow backlinks. So what this tells me is they are heavily invested in their SEO, and we can see that it's driving in almost 200 clicks a month. So basically, backlinks are just links from other websites to their website. So let's say I own a website called bestfencesingeorgia.com, and on there I have the chattahoocheefence.com. Then that is a backlink, and we can see that their DR is super high. Average IC is between 17 and 35. So what you need to do is just make sure you increase your backlink profile to try and compete with Chattahoochee Fence Company. So in conclusion, we discussed 3 things. We discussed content quantity, having a minimum of 1,500 words. Secondly, we discussed the keywords and making sure that you're using those targeted keywords to help boost your sales and get more people to click on your website. Thirdly, most importantly, we talked about backlinks and how investing in a good, strong SEO campaign is what's going to help promote you to the first page of Google. If you implement these strategies, you can easily get to the first page of Google and start driving in more organic traffic. So what now? Well, like I said in the beginning, you can take all this information I provided you today and implement it on your own, and that's totally cool with me. However, if you want a more effective route and you want to see what other strategies I have, give me a call at 813-515-3488. Once again, my name's Craig, and that's 813-515-3488. I look forward to hearing back from you.